Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up to have your power button end calls on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the setting gear button. And then you want to scroll down and select the accessibility tile. And then go underneath interaction controls and select system controls. And where it says power button ends call, click inside the oval one time and toggle it to the right, meaning that the power button will now be able to end calls. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.